Alright, this is the cheap and dirty setup here that I've got going. It's not the prettiest layout here. What I've got here is I've just got a stupid car tray, and I've got my power supply and my radio, which I need to put the straps on here to secure it. And I got my trusty old straight key that I like to use. And I got my Jackery Explorer 1000 V2, which is still sitting at about 94%. And I've had this set up here for a couple days. Got some 3 attempted park activations coming up soon. And it turns out that I attempted and I didn't complete, but that was because I didn't have the 10 required contacts. I happened to miss that part of the rules, unfortunately. But this is my setup. Going to make a few contacts. Made one on CW already. Got a new park, and yeah, it's going to be hopefully an exciting time. I'm going to work on a little bit better setup, but this is the quick get out and go. I've got some old ATOC Iron Horse whips, they're like hamsticks, and a 3 magnet mount on top of the car, so I can just interchange the hamsticks and run with it.